Hello everyone and welcome to 4J Media Live. Today we're going to be talking about how to get started with Skype for Business. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm inside Skype for Business. Basic. This is basic. Right now I'm offline. So let me do this real quick. I'm going to click here. Let's see, where's the logout? I'm going to sign out real quick so you can see the login page. So when you go to Skype for Business and open this up on your computer and you hit sign in, it's going to ask you this, Skype for Business Basic. Your organization is now using Microsoft Teams. I am using Teams, so that's why it's asking me, but I just want to start Skype for Business. I'm going to do this and make this a full screen. Your IMs and calls are going to Microsoft Teams. Go to Teams. I will show you that integration real quick just so you can see it. It should pop up here in a second. And I'm going to type in my login real quick. We'll give that a second to load. Okay, so what it's doing is whenever I Skype, what I can type and do everything that I can do in Skype right inside the Teams. So it's integrated together. So it's going to pull the contacts, the schedule, everything that I have. For example, let's schedule a meeting. Okay, so it's 4 in the morning right now. I'm doing this video. So let's say record daily video. Since I'm doing that right now, I'm going to type that in, record daily video, and then I'm going to hit schedule. Okay, we hit schedule. Okay, I'm going to schedule this. And it should pop up here. If it doesn't, that's okay. Because again, the whole idea of this is to talk more about Skype than Teams, but I want to show you the integration. So if I go to meetings, it's going to show right here, record daily video, IT general. And what that's doing is the reason it's only showing up here instead of in Skype is because when you set up a meeting in Teams, it's going to show it across everyone's Teams application, desktop or mobile application. And so it's a great feature to have. And this is a great tool because Teams basically brings all the applications together in one dashboard basically. And then you can integrate all the different tools that you're using with Microsoft all in one spot. So I think it's fantastic. So I'm going to cancel my meeting. I'm going to close this out. And I'm just going to go through a few things here with Skype for Business Basic. So you can set your location. You can set your status. So are you available? Are you offline? Let's see here. And this is your log basically. So if you have calls, missed calls, it's all going to display right here. I don't have any calls because I haven't been using this, but that's where it displays when you actually do that. Let me see if I can change the status. I don't know why they changed this on me. Yeah, okay. That won't let me edit anything. That's fine. Now down here, you can edit the primary device. So I have a Yeti microphone. So that's my primary microphone. You can see here I have the microphone tested right here. and the speaker I'm using with the headset that I have. The video device is connected. It's not going to show up right now because it's being used by another program. But if I wasn't using that program, this would pop up and you'd be able to see me with no problem. In fact, let me turn that on. There you go. There I am. So you can see me recording live. But this is what you would use when you're doing a web conference or video conference. So I'll go back to this one. Skype meetings, you can show IM, show the participant list. And there's other features. You can, reopen my conversations when I sign in. Personal stuff you can set up here. So Skype for Business is a great application, and I use it all the time. I've used it all the time at my previous jobs where I would remote in and help people fix computer issues. So I would get a call and they would say, my printer's not working. And I'd say, okay, let me Skype in and I will take over control of your computer. You give me access, and then I'll look at what the problem is. So I would do that and I'd get it fixed, and then everything would be good to go. So that's all I really have for Skype for Business Basic. However, I'm going to be working on a complete course on Skype. I'm going to have live demos of a video conference and more information on that. So be on the lookout for that. Check me out on social media and give me a like on Facebook at 4J Media 1. Check me out on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram at 4J Media. Check out my website, 4jmedia.com, for more information. And check me out on Udemy. I have 6 courses live right now. If you type in 4J Media in the search bar, you can see those courses that are live right now, and I will be adding to that on a weekly basis. So check all that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.